سابق اسرائیلی وزیراعظم نے خود ہی اپنے فوج کے جھوٹ کا بھانڈا پھوڑ دیا۔ امریکی نشریاتی ادارے CNN کو دیے گئے انٹرویو میں ایہود باراک نے اعتراف کیا کہ 40-50 سال قبل اسرائیلیوں نے ہی الشفا اسپتال کے نیچے بنکرز بنائے تھے۔ اسرائیل نے اسپتال کو حماس کا کمانڈ سینٹر قرار دیتے ہوئے کچھ روز قبل حملہ کیا تھا۔
When you say it was built by Israeli engineers, did you misspeak?
No, decades ago we were running the place. So we held them. It was many decades ago, probably 4 decades ago, that we helped them to build these bunkers in order to enable more space for the operation of the hospital within the very limited size of this compound.
Okay. All right. Well, that's sort of thrown me a little bit. So these were there for a long, long time, but you're claiming, or they're claiming, that they're used as a major command center. Anyway, the fact of the matter is that as yet, they have not shown conclusive proof of that. So may I ask you what you would...
Christian, wait a minute. It's not easy. We take care not to hurt